How to forgive others is. Sometimes in life people hurt us. They may say something unkind. They may break our trust. They may do something that makes us feel sad, angry, or confused. When someone hurts us, it is not easy to smile. It is not easy to move on. Our hearts feel heavy. Our minds keep thinking about the pain. We may want to stay angry. We may say, "I will never forgive them." But holding pain in our hearts does not help us feel better. It keeps the wound open. It makes us tired. It makes us afraid. It makes us close our hearts to others. Forgiveness is not about saying the wrong thing is okay. It is not about forgetting what happened. Forgiveness is about letting go of the pain so that we can feel free again. Forgiving others is not easy. It can take a long time. It is like a slow walk through a dark place, hoping to find the light. Sometimes we are not ready to forgive. That is okay. Forgiveness does not need to happen fast. It happens when the heart is ready. When someone hurts us, our first feeling is usually anger. We feel the pain and we want to protect ourselves. This is a normal feeling. Anger shows us that something was wrong. But if we stay angry too long, it can turn into hate. Hate does not help us heal. It only keeps the pain alive. Forgiveness is the way to heal that pain. To forgive someone, we first need to understand our own feelings. We need to ask ourselves, why does this hurt so much? What did I lose? What do I feel inside? We need to be honest with our pain. We need to speak the truth to our own heart. This truth helps us take the first step. Forgiveness also means seeing the other person as human. People make mistakes. People are not perfect. Sometimes they hurt others without knowing. Sometimes they are weak, afraid, or lost. When we see that, we can begin to understand. We do not say what they did was right, but we say, "You are human, just like me." Sometimes the person who hurt us does not say sorry. That makes forgiveness harder. We wait for their words. We wait for them to feel sorry. But they may never say it. They may never understand. Still, we can forgive them. We forgive not because they ask us, but because we want peace in our hearts. Forgiveness is not for the other person. It is for us. When we forgive, we stop carrying the heavy weight of anger. We breathe more easily. We sleep better. We feel lighter. Forgiveness is a gift we give to ourselves. It opens the door to joy again. Some people think forgiving means we must stay close to the person who hurt us. But that is not true. We can forgive someone and still choose to stay away. Forgiveness does not mean we forget. It means we stop wishing for harm. We stop feeding the pain. We choose peace. When we forgive, we take back our power. The hurt no longer controls us. The past no longer holds us. We look forward instead of backward. We say, "That hurt me, but it will not stop me from living." This is the strength of a gentle heart. There may be days when the pain returns. We remember what happened, and the anger comes back. That does not mean we failed. Forgiveness is not one moment. It is many small moments. We forgive again and again. Each time, the pain grows smaller. Each time, the heart grows stronger. Sometimes we need help to forgive. We need to talk to someone we trust. We need to cry. We need to feel safe. That is okay. Forgiveness does not have to be done alone. Love from others helps us heal. Kind words help us let go. Forgiving others also helps us forgive ourselves. We all make mistakes. We all hurt people sometimes. When we understand how hard it is to forgive, we become more gentle. We say, I am not perfect, and that is okay. We learn to love others more. We learn to love ourselves more. There is beauty in forgiveness. It is quiet but strong. It is soft but powerful. It does not shout. It does not fight. It opens the heart like the morning light. It brings peace where there was pain. It brings hope where there was hurt. The world needs more forgiveness. There is too much anger, too much fear, too much pain. But when one person forgives, it starts a change. Like a small light in the dark, it shines. Others see it, others feel it, and maybe they begin to forgive too. You may wonder, can I really forgive? The answer is yes. It may take time. It may take tears, but you can do it. Your heart is strong. Your love is deep. You have the power to let go. You have the courage to heal. Forgiveness is a journey. It is not easy, but it is good. It brings freedom. It brings peace. It brings new life. And it all begins with one small choice, the choice to forgive.